Hello guys, welcome back to Web World. In this video, we will dive into answers for week 1 of the data science using Python course. Whether you are stuck on a problem or just want to double check your solutions, I've got you covered. Let's break down each question step by step and learn together. Let's look at question 1. What is data science? Data science is defined as the process of extracting meaningful information from the data. So, the correct option will be option B. Second question. Which of the following is not a motivation for data science? As we all know, Amazon's personalized recommendation system, targeted advertising, and Google Voice, Siri, Cortana are the motivation for learning data science. So, the correct option will be option D. Moving to third question. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines statistics, computer science, and domain expertise. So, the correct option will be option C. Fourth question is, what is the primary goal of the data collection process? The data collection involves gathering data such as text, video, audio, etc. So the correct option will be option B. Which skill is essential for describing data? Statistics is more essential skill for describing data. So the correct option will be option C. Moving to sixth question, which one of the following is true? So, algorithmic modeling is more concerned with the prediction rather than understanding the data. So, algorithmic modeling or machine learning modeling is more suitable for understanding and predicting the data. So, the correct option will be option A. Moving to seventh question, which Python library is used for creating visualizations? We generally use matplotlib and seaborn libraries for creating visualizations in Python. So the correct option will be option C. What is the primary focus of data modeling? We use data modeling to understand relationships between variables and predicting outcomes. So the correct option will be option B. Moving to ninth question. What is the primary goal of artificial intelligence, AI? The primary goal of AI is to mimic human intelligence and function independently. So the correct option is option B. Which of the following is not a task that constitutes AI? Communication and perception and actuation will be not that constitutes AI. So the correct option will be option D. Moving to 11th question, what distinguishes machine learning from traditional software programming? Machine learning algorithm can learn data and improve over time. So that is the key difference. So the correct option will be option C. What is a fundamental task of AI in problem solving? Solving problems by searching through possibilities without needing data modeling. So the correct option will be option B. How does data science primarily differ from AI? AI focuses on stimulating human intelligence, while data science extracts insights from data for decision making. So, that is the key difference between data science and AI. Which of the following areas is not directly involved in data science? As we all know, statistical analysis, machine learning, and extracting insights from structured and unstructured data, which means data science, is all directly involved in data science. So, here the correct option will be option C, which is autonomous vehicle engineering. What is the significance of machine learning in data science? Machine learning replaces the need for any statistical analysis. So, the correct option will be option D. Thank you everyone.